Hi guys, my name is Tabitha. Today I'm going to be putting in this Cobbe shower head, and I'm going to be showing you that process of switching out my old one to this one and just telling you everything that you need to know about this and showing the 6 different spray functions that it has. So if that's something you're interested in, be sure to keep watching. I got this in the chrome color so that it would match the rest of my tub. You've got hose, you have tape. Here's a look at the shower head. And then you've got the hose connector and piece that holds the head, and then a little instruction guide. So very simple. Let's get it installed. Installing this is an absolute breeze. Everything is included in the instruction manual, so it's super easy to follow, and the process is crazy quick. And there are so many features to this shower head that are so wonderful. From the liquid silicone on the shower head, that's going to make it super easy to clean and care for. And then the 16-stage filter that's built into the handle of the shower head is easily replaceable, so you don't have to buy a whole new shower head whenever it's time to replace that. Just simply remove the handle portion of the shower head and you can take that out and put a new one in. This is going to help remove a range of things that could be harmful to your skin, your hair, just your body in general. So I absolutely love having this, especially living on city water that I know is not the cleanest. So this is definitely going to be helpful in skin and hair health, which I am excited about. The base that holds your shower head is on a swivel, so you can very easily maneuver it around and adjust the position so that it's right for you. So let's take a look at the 6 spray functions. The options are pulse mode, rain mode, power massage, and then there's 3 combination functions that mix the others together. Here is option 1. This one is very similar. It just took some of the little spray nozzles away. And then you have this one here that creates like a soft effect with the inner nozzles. This one's really spread out. It's kind of ends up feeling like a mist, like a heavy mist. And then you've got this one that's a little bit more powerful. And then you've got these center ones that create almost like a jet-like feeling. So there you have it. I know that my family is going to love having this. It's certainly an upgrade from our previous shower head. So if you guys were looking for a multi-function shower head, something that's going to clean your water, give you better water pressure, that looks good while doing it, and it's going to be easy to clean and care for, this is a remarkable choice. I would definitely give this a try.